Everywhere we look, people are on their phones. Ask yourself this, what are they doing? They're using Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp and many other social media platforms. They're liking, sharing, commenting, posting, blogging and conversating. It's really made the world a smaller place and a global village. How many times a day do you unlock the screen of your smartphone? On average, a person unlocks their smartphones about 80 to 100 times per day and sometimes many more. But do you get paid? What if you could make money every single time you unlock your smartphone? Banner's app is a revolutionary product which is completely free and will benefit every single user and the advertising market itself. So how does it work? Banner's app is an app which is free to register, one account per person, and pays you every time you unlock the screen of your smartphone. It will be enough to install free Banner's app on your device, and in a few seconds you'll become a happy shareholder of the unlimited advertising market. Every time you unlock the screen of your smartphone, a web banner appears. You get to select how often you see a new banner and easily adjust the number of ads displayed by simply selecting the Ads View Intensity tab. With Banner's app, your smartphone will bring you money. Payout is in cryptocurrency. The minimum withdrawal amount is 20 FND. It only takes a few minutes to withdraw your earnings from the banner ads in Futuro Coin, FTO, and exchange it into any currency in the world, including cryptocurrency. You're probably wondering now, am I able to spend this money online? Withdraw to my bank account? Receive the cash in my hand? The answer is yes. Thanks to the referral program, by sharing this free Banner's app to other new users and building our structure, not only our family and friends, but everyone. The income consists of 5 levels of your partnership structure. From your first level, level 1, those who've used your referral code directly upon registration, you will receive a commission of 8%. Level 2, 4%, level 3, 1%, level 4, 1%, and level 5, 1% also. You receive a percentage of all the people's income who are using Banner's app by them using your referral code, which you'll find simply on the Banner's app under Invite Friends. Click Send Ref Link to Friends to invite your friends. Now that you've copied your referral link, you can now share the link with your friends. By clicking on the link, the Banner's app webpage will appear. Your friend needs to copy your code, then download the app and insert the code during registration. Your friends will be added to your structure directly after registration. Done! More friends, more money. After everyone views their ads, they will all get paid for watching their ads, and then you will also receive a percentage of all their earnings too. You can view your tree by clicking on the Structure tab in the Banner's app. All you need to make money is your smartphone and, of course, the Banner's app. To start earning now, simply download the free app, sign up for free using the referral code and fill out the form. Start viewing ads and earn immediately. Are you ready?